So let's start. In first session, we done the lab setup, crappy, WAPI, and other lab setup, like how we can find the API, passive recon, active recon. Then in today's session, we will do more things related to like API endpoint finding, and after that endpoint analysis, how we can analyze those endpoint and how we can try to find out the bugs. So main thing is that if we find the more endpoint, then it is the more chance to find a bug. So in API, always try to find more endpoints. So endpoint means like this. Maybe we find out API users. Okay, if there is a endpoint API user, and from that we are getting the details of user. But somehow we find out there is a users endpoint is also there. And what if I use the users? And I will get all the details of all the user of, then that is a very big bug. Like see, normal endpoint give us only one user detail. This is a endpoint, so v2 API user. So this will give like, okay, for me it's like this, like maybe email ID, like any detail like email ID, and means password or token. So this endpoint will give the this detail like user's email ID, user's password, user's token. But what if there is user's password is also available, and that is they are not they are allowing that. So because of that, if they are allowing this, so what we can do, we can like we can see the all the users detail, like any users they are registered here. Like if there are 1,000 users, then maybe we can get the users. Okay, and these are really exist. I find out this bug on a real website. Okay, so this is all about. So let's start. So in previous session, we learned that there is a crappy website, crappy, where we will do the. So you can use on your lab. In previous session, I told you like how you can install the lab and everything. So this is crappy lab, vulnerable API lab from API Sec University. So it's starting. So what we will do, try to find out the endpoints. First thing is endpoint. In previous session, I told you like how we can find the endpoints by using the kite runner tool. Manually browse the application. We can use the Katana. We can use the Arjun. So, but Katana is okay, but Arjun, yeah, you can also use the Arjun and Dev tools. So, but mostly what I do, I use browse the application, and other than Kite Runner. Runner is very good tool for API endpoint finding. Okay, so this is started. Okay, I am already logged in, so I need to log out. So I think everyone installed the Postman. This is Postman. So everyone installed it. So in previous session, I told you we can use proxy for Postman. Other than, you can also install this extension. This is from Postman. So for that, what you can do, just there is a right there Postman extension. Postman extension. So see, there is a Postman extension. No, this not this, and this Postman interceptor. So install this. This is also very good for Postman. Like if you want to use two different interceptor, like for Postman you want to different, and for your Burp you want to different. But yeah, if you want to use Burp and Postman, that is also okay. So this is for C. Like if we click on this, then this will start. Okay, this is again. Let's see. There are many users are trying to testing on this. That because of that, okay, I need to clear out some history. See, let's log out. Yeah, it's okay. So for interception, today I will, like in last session I told you how we can use the Foxy proxy. Today I will use this tool. So it's very easy. Just go there and install this Postman interceptor. Interceptor this. Just click on this and it will install. Yeah, it's very easy. It's just like any other extension. Just see, there is an install option. Click on that, then this will install. Okay. After that, you can capture the request. Okay. So this is Postman. So first we will create a workspace. See, if we want to capture all the requests and save them, then we need to create a workspace where we can put our all the things. So go to there. See, in their Postman there is nothing available. So go there. The see workspace. Click on this. Then create workspace. So see, every project, like if you are testing on a website, different, then if you are working on different project, then create every time create new workspace. Okay. So create workspace. Okay. After that, next, and for this, November batch API testing. Okay. So name is November batch API testing. So you can create it for your teams. Like teams means like 2, 3, 5 person can access this at a time. Like if I give you the credential, then you can access on this project like 5. So for that we need to pay the money. But personal use, it's free. Okay. So you can use it for personal. Create. So after that, we need to create the collection. See, there is collection. Okay. The name of the collection, crappy testing. Okay. So this is crappy testing. So after that, we can intercept request. Okay. Now I want to intercept the request. For that, go to this Postman intercept. Open. Okay. Why this is showing not connected? Yeah. Now it's okay. So like see, we can also apply filter. Sometimes what happen when we start it, then there are many data. Like see, we want to capture only this website data, but when we run without any filtering, then this will capture any data related to any website. So I want to, if you want to filter, then you can use this option. See, incoming request only for this crappy website name, crappy API stack.ai. Okay, crappy API stack dot. Okay, after then start capturing. See, it started the capturing. Now this is a simple web application, very simple web application. See, like we do in testing, this is like them. So first we need to create an account. So for that, okay, number, okay, number after one email, number @gmail.com, phone number, any phone number, okay, password. So I will use from this suggested password. Okay. So now I am logging in. See, after logging in, see, when we start this, then this will start capturing. Okay, why this is not capturing? It's capturing interceptor pose. It's needs to be captured. Now it's working. Last time I don't know why this is working. Setting is same. Okay. Why this is again login again and again here. Okay, it's okay. See, this is a live website, so many users are testing on there. So sometimes it will go slow. So wait for some time. We need to delete again history. Happy login. Why this is doing this? Okay, it's okay. Wait for some time. See, it's capturing the you can see here. See, it's capturing. These are the API endpoints, and it's capturing crappy websites data here. Yeah. If you are not comfortable with Postman, you can also use the Burp Suite, but for collecting the data, Postman is good. Other than for testing, Burp Suite is very good. Let's log out again. Last time we created the account, and this is the November details. Now we'll try to log in. Now see, it's capturing. You can see there. Okay. After then there is some functionality. So we need to try to use all the functionality. Like if we do this, go there, and we are so try to use every functionality of that website. After that, what happen if we go there and like see there is a click option. If I am clicking there, then it will see it will so I will send your email address. So there is email also, like it will send an email address. So for finding the email, then go there, mail hook. There is a mail hook also there. Crappy.api stack.ai. Okay, not 8085. So this is the mail hook server, not 808025. 8025, yeah. So this is mail hook server. Means like if you do the password reset or everything, then you will get the mail here. See, you will get the mail. So this will send us this win number copy, and 7242 is this number. So we can add a vehicle from that. So paste the win number, then this 7242. It's just a simple website like other website. Then I am just doing there like what is functionality available. Then I am trying to go there. So after that, what, let's see, anything I am doing here, Postman is capturing that request. See, you can see that. So see, verify vehicle. So vehicle saved successfully. So it's a Lamborghini. Oh, great. So there is a contact mechanic also there. So this, then problem, car is broken. Send request. So I'm just testing functionality, like what is the functionality available. So this is, there is nothing functionality other than this. Just try to go there like on my account. So let's try to upload there. See, we can upload a picture. So try to upload anything. Let's try this. See, it's capturing. Okay. There is change email also. So last time it's our email is November@. So let's try to change it. New email ID. November01@gmail.com. Send a verification mail. So every time if you try to reset password everything, then you will get the mail here on mail hog. So try to refresh it, then you will get the mail. So I'm just refreshing it. Wait for some time. For testing the API, then you need to be patient, very patient. So see, change email token is there. So see, it is asking for the token. See, this is normal functionality as we are using in the website. After putting the email, they are sending sometimes a token. Then after putting the token, then we can change the email. So this is the token, then I can use this. See, we received a request to change your account email address. Previous email address is this. Now complete the following this. Then your email is changing to this. Okay. So I put it there. Change email. See, it's taking the request. See. So now we need to log in again. We changed it to November 01. Let's login. So what I am trying to do here, so I am just trying to check every functionality. What I am doing, if I check every functionality, because of that I will get all the endpoints. So like if I am testing here, then I will get this endpoint. I am testing here community, then I will get this endpoint. I test this soap, then I will get that endpoint. So I am trying to get every endpoint, means I am following this. See, manually browse the application, means try to find out every endpoint through the browsing the application. So what I tried this, and there is see 3 dot also here, upload a video. So we can upload a video. Let's try to upload a video. So you can see API. So we are getting again new and new. So it's uploading. So always what for finding API endpoints, what you need to do, go to any application like Dell.com or anything. Like if they are using the API, then start this interceptor. Okay, see, we can see the API endpoints there here also. So start this, and after that you will get the endpoints in your Postman. Next thing I will tell you that what we can do there. Okay. So this site is little bit slow. Okay. Wait for some time. We are uploading video, so it will taking some time because of that. The video uploaded successfully. Okay, there is let's see, change video name. Let's try to change the video name. So video name is testing. Change. Click on this. So it will also take some time. Okay, it's taking so long. Okay, but for bug hunting you need to be very patient. Bug hunting or penetration testing, you need to be patient. Like try to find out every bug, then you need to be patient. Sometimes real website also going very slow, so you need to be wait for some time. Okay, let's try to close it. Yeah, it's okay. Save. Go to soap. So this endpoint, this is taking so much time. Let's wait. Community is definitely there. See, there are many attackers or hunters trying to means learning bugs from there. Okay, let's again try to go to the dashboard. Okay, it's working. So let's try to post here something, testing, anything, add a test. Okay, inside the post add something, add a comment successfully. I think that is enough. It's already stop capture. Okay, after stop capturing, then go to there and we will save all the API endpoint. For that, see, we can search. See, there are some endpoints, they are not related to API, but see, otherwise, see, we can see, this is not API, this is not API, so we can search like this API. So all the APIs are there, but we need only this API stack API. So this is API, this is API, this is also API, API. And this is a different port. This is mailhog port. This is also API, but this is from mailhog. This is right workshop. Yeah, this is mailhog. Okay. 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 This is okay. See, we selected all the API endpoints, and after that, save request. Click on see save. Then see, we already created crappy testing. Then click on this crappy, and how we want to save with the domain name and endpoints. Okay, and save it. And after that, you can see here, see crappy API stack.ai. Then we can see all the endpoints are here. See, like they are here. But we can also manage them properly. See, some endpoints are from identity. See, identity API. Some are from workshop API, and some are community. So we can see community. So we can also manage them by creating the folder. Like see, add folder. There are 3, so I need to add 3 folder. So click on this. See, crappy API. Create the folder there. Then change this to identity. See, this is identity, so I created a folder identity. Then there is okay, rename. Let's create this community, rename it to workshop, because this time there are only 10-20 but sometimes you have hundreds of endpoints, so you need to manage them, because it will take some time. Like if you want to test like hundreds of API endpoint, that it will take some maybe 2 days, 3 days. So for that you need to manage them. So see, this is from identity. Just click on this and put it on, and this will go there, and copy this in this. This is from community. So community here, workshop, identity. So in identity, workshop, community, put in community, and this is also from community. This is from identity. Okay. This is from also identity, and this is from community, and this is from workshop. Okay, now they are managed. See, so we can understand, okay, inside this all the identity endpoints, see, identity, and inside this community API, inside this workshop. Okay, so we are doing this setting up automation in Postman. We did this test in automation. So we can test something, like if we want to test on them, so So what happen, like maybe we have hundreds of API, and sometimes what happen in easily like hundreds of API endpoint, if we run the test, sometimes we will find the bugs there in easy way, very easy way in first starting, so we need to test there. Clear on this, click on this, edit, click on the test, and you can set up, see there are many tests. So mostly you can use this status code, send request, and so status code is very useful. So what this will do, this will check for the status code 200, means if 200 response is come back, then this will say like, yeah, this is true, means this is okay. So we can check that endpoint. Okay, so after click on this, this function is okay, then save this. Okay. After that we can run the test. See, click on this, there is a run. So let's try to run the test. Then you will see run crappy, run manually, run schedule run. So run manually. Okay, so it's running. So there are, you can see failed and passed, failed, skipped. So we can check them, like see which is passed, which is failed. So one is passed, means this is successful, and other are not successful. So you can check one by one also. Let's see, this is testing. See, in upper section you can also see them one by one. See, this is interceptor log, this is testing, and this is that I clicked on. So let's close this. This is testing. So all tests are here. It's still running. See, running the test. It's still running. It will take some time to run all the tests, because it's sending the request and checking them, like which is working, which is not working, which is working, which is not working. So it will take some time. Okay, it's still running, so it's okay. So in the meantime, what we can do, you can see, you can find out the bugs by click on this. These are the failed, means these requests are failed with errors. So if you want to check, then click on this and click on this send. See, invalid token, means this is not working. You can see that, see, clicking on the header, then you can see the headers. Click on body section, then you will see body section. There is nothing. Yeah. Okay. Let's close this. Close this. Let's check this pictures. Let's send this request. So see, this is like as burp. This is the request and this is the response. But there is something as different, like this. This is added headers. Header are different. Body section is different, and there is a cookie header section is different, and body section is different. See, so this is like repeater. See, this is the request and this is the response. Okay, it's still running. So maybe it's because of the application is going slow. Okay, so I'm stopping this, so you can check out this. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Okay, it's working. See, now it's working. See, it's run all the tests. See, we successfully passed 6 tests and failed in 9. Means there are, it run the 15 tests, in 9 are failed and 6 are passed. So you can check out them, like maybe you will find the bugs there. So we will check later. So it's just, we are just testing. After that we will try for finding bugs. So next is changing request method in Postman. Okay, so there is, like, if there are the request many, so this is this. So if you want to change the request method, so see, this is post, you can change it. I see there are many, put, patch, option. So let's try the put. Let's try to send it. So it's easy sometimes. So let's try the option. Click on option and send it. In option we can check out the 4 headers, like and we can see which is working. Test result. Okay, so you can test this also, like change get to post, delete token. Okay, patch. So these are the headers, as we are using in get, post, put, delete. We can also use the delete. So maybe it will delete the vehicle. If you get successfully something there, then means maybe something there. Yeah, we will do the testing in next sessions, more testing. So I'm going one by one because I know this is a little bit different topic other to come if we compare it to other topics. Yeah. So okay, let's try to check community. So you can change their these methods. Okay. Sometime what happened? Like see, I tested all these things today. Tomorrow I want to test again. So tomorrow see, it is using an authorization header. So maybe tomorrow see this click on edit and there is the authorization header. So tomorrow maybe that authorization header is expired. So if I want to see, then tomorrow if I click on everything, then they won't work. Why? Because this is using an header. So if you want to see, there is a header. See, this is an header. So this is using this for authentication purpose, but tomorrow this will expire. But if you want to change it, then you need to go again every request one by one. You go there and see headers and click on there and change it. But you can change it directly from here. Then this will change everywhere. And click on this edit, put authorization, and you can put it there like clicking on the bearer token and put the token here. Then this this will do? This will change the token in every request, identity, community, workshop. So it will change. So maybe in third day you want to check, you want to testing, then you can check that change this token. Then this will authorize all the request. So currently see, this is using, they are using the bearer token. So I am showing you the bearer. Okay, sometimes they, if they are not using the bearer token, maybe they are using other methods, so you can use them. See, JWT bearer, basic authentication, AWS signature, API key, maybe they are using API key for authentication, you can use them also. Okay, you can also use the note, inherit from the parent. Inherit from the parent means currently which this is, what is there available, check them like this. Okay, so this is done, this is done. Okay, so our first excessive data exposure. So see, in the first test we done the test here. See, this is okay. There are many requests. I need to close all of them. This also, see, so we successfully find out these 6 tests are passed. So now I want to check them one by one what I get though. See, this is login. So login is only a simple login. So I send it, then I log in, then this is not a bug. So I give the username and password, I get the token. So this is not a bug. Okay, then check it second, dashboard. But see, this is also a simple thing. See, we giving the token, then we are getting the dashboard. So this is not a bug. So it's taking some time. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so this is taking so much time in the, okay, let's check other endpoint. Okay, there is community post, there is recent. Okay, let's check it recent. So send it. So after clicking on this, you can see there are much more data. See, ID, testing, content, author name, email ID. So this is our email ID, that's okay. So vehicle ID and everything, but these are not our, see, these are other users data. See, test @test, tester, test. Okay, these are other users data. So this is sensitive data exposure bug, and this will goes into, depends on the, like if you find, we find out the user email and everything, so this will go into the P3. Okay, so this is sensitive data exposure bug. So we find out a sensitive data exposure by running the collections. Okay, see, you can see their number and checkout. See, this is also user ofra at the route. So this is different user, and we get the vehicle picture URL. See, this is different user. See, masasa and 12 @email.com. So this is different user. See, we are getting other users details. So this is a bug. So you need to check one by one. So they are not, you can check out this. You can also check this comment. Let's try this, send this request. Let's see. Yeah, in comment section also, see, we are getting the bug. See, means this bug, this endpoint is also vulnerable. See, in comment, like, yeah, I can see the comment, but see, other than I am seeing the email ID or user detail of, no, this is only us. Okay, this is only us comment. Okay, so let's try to use it comments. Yeah, that is not found. Okay, we will do the more testing. So changing request method, first bug as data nonsense, we successfully find out. Okay, if we want to check this bug in the burp repeater, that we can also check it there. Okay, so what is the endpoint? That endpoint is this recents. Okay, post recents. Okay, let's try to check out in burp. Okay, you can also try to find out bugs in burp suite. Okay, let's try to capture this request in burp and click on the burp, and this is in comment section. So let's try to comment, capture this request. So see, this is the request. I am sending this request to the repeater. Then add a comment. Why I am not getting? This is the, so which endpoint is vulnerable? Let's try to see the burp. So you can use burp or postman. Okay, it's stuck again at that endpoint. Okay, post. Let's wait. Try to add a comment. Then we will capture that request. Then check that. We will check that. Start it again. Add a comment and write it anything. Then capture this request. Capture. Why this is okay? Okay. Send this to the repeater. Forward. What happened to this community? Okay. New post. Okay, this is the thing. Okay. Sometimes this site is not working. Oh, it's okay. So this is the, after this, on this, see, we are getting an endpoint. Send it to the repeater. And see, this is the vulnerable endpoint. See, post recent. You can check out in there. See, community API v2 community post recent. Okay, so this is the, say, community API v2 community post recent. Send this request. And you can see the data. See, other users data here. So let's pretty it. See, these are the data. So just you need to just take the screenshot and send them. And this is a sensitive data exposure. Okay, excessive data exposure from API. Okay,